Hello Songbird, this is Kerri from the Songbird where we get grounded, take flight and sing. And welcome to day 3 of 21 days to your new voice, where we are cultivating habits with bite-sized little things that you can do every day to really transform your voice. I'm so excited for you on this journey. So here we go, day 3. What are we going to do today? Today we are going to work on the Ming 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 exercise. And now this is all about building a sense of resonance so that you do not need to push or shout or yell or hurt your voice. You know, it's all about using what we've got in this vocal mechanism that we've been graciously given to just let the voice come through, okay? So what we're looking for is a feeling of buzziness and vibration in the nose and in the mouth and even in the forehead area, okay? So here's how we're going to do it. We're going to sing Ming Ming Ming, and the key here is to do it right. So you want to really accentuate the on the M of the Ming, and you really want to accentuate the the NG at the end. And in the middle where we've got the E, right, Ming, all right, you want to really just sort of let that vowel, which is already very naturally placed forward, just really come forward even a little more. And the and the at the end will really help to keep that flow going, all right? So that's the real key to this exercise. If you are not doing this with that feeling of buzz and whatever, you're gonna actually hurt yourself. So we've got to really try and cultivate that correct way of doing it, okay? So here's the exercise. Girls here, guys here, okay? And we're gonna go Ming, 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 Ming. And all through that, I'm feeling my face vibrate, you know? It's really good. Ming, 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 Ming. 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 Okay? Now as I'm doing that, I'm kind of like imagining the sound shooting out of my eyeballs and just hitting the camera screen right now. And I want you to sort of imagine the same thing. As you're singing the Ming Ming Ming, just kind of look at, you know, right directly in front of you, a place on the wall, pretend there's a dartboard there, and think about really just letting the sound just come out of your eyeballs and hit that place that you've imagined is a dartboard, okay? And you're really trying to hit that target there. That's super key. The key is imagining it coming out of your eyes. It's going to help you to keep it forward, and this is what helps you not push your voice, I promise. All right, it's your turn now, so let's have all that in mind and let's go for it. And we're going to go a bit faster. Ming, 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 ming. Ming, 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 ming. That's it, your turn. That's it, nice and buzzy. Good. Remember, out of your eyeballs. Nice. Out of your eyes. That's it, don't push it. Good work. Good, out of your eyeballs. That's it, nice and bright. Doing well, coming down. Right out of your eyes and straight to the wall. Very good. Keep it forward. Yeah. Don't get the energy down. Nice and forward. Nice work. Good. Want a few more? Well done, Songbird. So this is just such an amazing exercise that if you did regularly, you're just going to start to feel that sense of strain come out of your voice. And now that was only day 3. We've got still day 4 coming, over the next 21 days to do 21 days to your new voice. Now, if you are keen to learn what are my, go-to warm-ups that are just if you do these exercises, you're definitely going to warm up your whole voice in the most correct and voice building way, and you want to learn this for free, go ahead to my website, just click down below, and you will get my ultimate vocal warm-up guide sent to your email inbox for free. So get onto that if you'd like to really just accelerate, your vocal development and get into a great warm-up every single day. But otherwise, I shall see you tomorrow for day 4 of 21 days to your new voice.